Join us as we visit ZRG Medical, a company that removes, tests, and then redistributes surplus medical equipment, giving it a second life to customers worldwide.
My name is Doug Schneider. I'm a biomedical equipment technician here at ZRG Medical in Oceanside, California. ZRG does asset disposition, so we take in old equipment from hospitals and clinics, and we check it out, and then we try to get a new life for it, either selling it to somebody that needs it, or donating it, or recycling it. Typical day for me, I come in and check my email briefly, check in with my supervisor, see if there's anything needs urgent attention, and then basically get down to work testing equipment. The biggest part of my job is I gather information and log that information about each piece of equipment we take in, so we can relay that information onto our sales team, so they can relay that information onto prospective buyers. My educational path to get this job, I attended Miracosta Technical Institute. I attended their biomedical equipment technician certificate program. They provided an internship, so I was able to get placed in a job to get my foot in the door, and then they kept me on here, so that was my pathway. Some of the skills needed to be good at this job would definitely be critical thinking, problem solving, ability to just come up with solutions and deconstruct things and try to figure out how things are operating so you can break down the various systems and understand what's going on. Some of the departments I interact with on a daily basis are our warehouse team with shipping and receiving, and the equipment comes in from there and it goes to our biomed department where we check the equipment out, log information on it, and then our sales team where we get it into the hands of customers. One of the biggest challenges with this job is the vastness of the study. I mean, there's so many different pieces of equipment and so many different specialities. To know everything's impossible, but it's challenging to just try to keep up and get good at one thing and then get good at another thing, and just keep building on that. The thing I like most about this job is there's always something to learn, and I like learning new things. I like learning how things work. So every day is an adventure. There's always something new.
This is just one of the many careers attainable through the Technology Career Institute of the Community Education and Workforce Development Department at Miracosta College, now enrolling for classes starting soon.